Here's how you can set whether the control center has both notifications and control panel in one swipe down or separately. This is for Vivo phones with Android 14 Origin OS 4. To find this set of options, go into the quick access and tap on the settings right there, this one here. Once you're in this section here, go all the way down to the part that has the management section, right there, the system management. As you enter here for the first time, you'll see all these options and you're gonna see control center. Once in the control center section, you'll notice the two options. So this one here basically is having both the control center and notifications separately. So with this option here, if you swipe from the left top, you're gonna get access to all the notifications you have on your phone. But if you go ahead now and swipe from the right side, you'll get access to the quick panel access here to give you access to those quick toggles. Now, if you do decide to go and switch it over to here, basically, it's just gonna have everything together, the quick access and the notifications. So if that's your style, if that's your preference, that's where you would go to change it. Like into